Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the battery and touchpad of the Lenovo Yoga 720-13 IKB. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this operation. 1. Tools required. Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. Plastic spudger. Tweezers. ESD-safe wrist strap, to avoid static damage. A clean, soft cloth for internal cleaning. Before beginning, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. It's also wise to wear an ESD wrist strap to protect the internal components from static electricity. 2. Removing the back cover. Start by flipping the laptop upside down. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically about 10 screws. Keep them safe and organized. Once all screws are out, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. 3. Disconnecting the battery. With the back cover removed, locate the battery. You'll see a connector cable attached to the motherboard. Carefully lift the connector using tweezers or a spudger. Note that the battery may have screws securing it in place. Remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver. If you find yourself unsure about any step, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. 4. Replacing the battery. Once the old battery is out, take your new battery and align it in the same position. Secure it with screws and reconnect the cable to the motherboard. Ensure that it is firmly connected to avoid any issues. 5. Removing the touchpad. Next, let's focus on the touchpad. Locate the touchpad connector on the motherboard. Disconnect it gently, similar to how you did with the battery. Depending on the model, there might be screws or clips holding the touchpad in place. Remove these components carefully. If you need assistance or prefer to have it done professionally, consider our pickup and delivery at your home. It's convenient and hassle-free. 6. Cleaning the internal components. Before installing the new touchpad, take a soft cloth and gently clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. This helps maintain optimal performance and longevity. Ensure that no dust is left behind, particularly around the areas where the new components will be installed. 7. Installing the new touchpad. Align the new touchpad in the designated area and secure it with screws or clips. Reconnect the touchpad cable to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. If you're unsure about the installation, remember, we provide quotes before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. 8. Reassembling the laptop. Once both the battery and touchpad are replaced, carefully reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinstall the screws you previously removed. 9. Testing the new components. Power on your laptop to test the new battery and touchpad functionality. Ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to reach out. This concludes the replacement process for the battery and touchpad on the Lenovo Yoga 720-13 IKB. With these steps, you can successfully extend the life of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.